Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga air signs natin dyan? Anong meron sa mga air signs natin right now, no? Mga goddesses ko dyan, right? No? So, let's see, no? What's the message or I mean, no, motivational messages from your inner self, of course, no? Anong mga kailangan yung marinig from your inner self, no? And, yeah, love situation, no? Person on your mind, the one you are connected with. And, pinaka-importante is the message advice from the universe, right? Mga air signs natin. So, let's see, no? Let's start with you agad, no? Gemini. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Gemini natin, right? No? So, let's see. What's the message from your inner self, right? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. Tignan natin. Anong gustong sabihin ng iyong inner self, Gemini? So, you have this. Thank you for being a good human. So, yan, napakaganda naman ng message ng iyong inner self, right? No, parang napaka-fulfillment, no? Fulfilled ng message na ito, right? For you, no? So, sinasabihan ka dito na maybe you don't see this to yourself, right? No, but then maraming nakakakita na you are this a good person, right? No, mga Gemini natin. And mostly people around you are being thankful that they have you, they have to know you, no? Something like that. No? So just this, no? So just take this word or this message from your inner self, right? No? Thank you for being a good human, right? No? So na, tumataas yung balahibo ko sa inyo, no? So, parang ang ganda-ganda ng message, right? No? So, just continue who you truly are, no? So, giving and whatever is, you just stay, no? Stay being a good person, no? Something like that, no? Mga Gemini natin, no? So, yeah. So, let's see, no? Who is the person on your mind? Mga Gemini natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. Let's see. For Gemini, please. 3 cards for Gemini, the person on your mind, the one you are connected with. Let's see. So you have Black or African o African American, no? So what else? Tooth gap and then tribal. No, so for some of you, no, maybe you are dealing with a foreigner, no, for some of you, Black American or African, something like that, no, or someone like that with the tooth gap here, no, particularly, no, meron sa inyo, or vice versa, right, no, merong gap sa kanyang front teeth, no, for some of you, or kung hindi man front teeth, no, something na, or maybe nabunutan na ng ipin, right, kaya nagkaroon ng gap, no, sa between the tooth, no? Something like that. And with the tribal here, no? Maybe mahilig to sa mga ethnic, no? Or yung ethnic, sabihin natin nga na ano siya, no? Yung kanyang culture, no? Meron siyang mga paniniwala, no? Within his or her culture, no? Sa kanilang kung saan man siya galing, no? Maybe talaga ay you are dealing with a foreigner, no? Outside of the country, no? And has a black skin, no? And maybe for some of you, sabihin rin natin with the tribal is ano siya, no? All this, no? Something like that na parang naniniwala siya sa mga sinaunang mga kasabihan, mga something like that, right? No? Mga Gemini natin. And yeah, kasi kung all this, no, pwedeng sabihin rin natin, napaka-conservative ng tao na ito, right? For some of you, no, mga Gemini. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rin dito, no, for some of you, mga Gemini natin. So, yeah. So, let's see what else, no, pagdating dyan sa person on your mind. Let's see ano pang meron. So, kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. No, let's see. 3 cards for Gemini, person on your mind. What else? Tignan natin. So you have this no music, inspiration, snake, not what it's like it looks like, and then non-committal, no, independent. No, so for some of you, ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, mga Gemini, no, this person, or again, no, vice versa, no, pwedeng kayo itong nakukuha nating energy, or of course, the person you are dealing with, right? No, just take what's resonating with you, no, mga Gemini natin. So, yeah, there is someone here na, a snake, right? No, what is a snake, no? Someone snaky, right? No, so this person is sabihin nating nagbabalat kayo, right? No, not what it's looked like, right? No, so may mga pagtatago, no? May mga pagtatago or may mga tinatago itong tao na ito. And this person is a non-committal one, no? Non-committed itong person na to, or sabihin natin na he or she doesn't care, no, sa isang partnership, no. Sabihin natin na ano siya, ayaw niya ng committed, or ayaw niya sa mga ah, non-committal, right? No, so, pwede rin sabihin natin walang isang salita, right? No, this person, no, the one you are dealing with, right? No, wearing a mask, a snake, sneaky one, and then of course, no, maybe for some of you, no, with the music here, ang nakikita ko rin dito is siguro mahilig kumanta itong person na ito, right? No? Or kumakanta, no? Singer, something like that, no? So, but then, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, this person is being sneaky or hiding something. Sabihin natin na yung kanyang personality, no, hindi yun yung pinapakita niya, no? So, may pagka na, 'di ba? Something na parang just like a mask, no? So, this person is wearing a mask, no? Or really just a snake, no? Iba yung panlabas na pinapakita niya, no? Something like that. And this person is walang isang salita, no? So, hindi siya tumutupad ang kanyang mga pangako, an non-committal person, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? For some of you Gemini. So, let's see what else, no? Ano pang meron sa person na yan, right? No? So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. No? Tingnan pa natin ano pang meron sa person na yan or sa inyong partnership, relationship. Let's see. Bakit may ganyang energy, right? No? So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, Gemini. So, you have this, no, 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles, kung makikita mo, no, talagang, kumbaga parang sneaky talaga, no, there is someone sneaky here, no, look at the back, no, something like that, or someone greedy, no, pagdating sa kaperahan. And then, what else? With the 4 of Wands, no, maybe for some of you, right, no, you are committed, no, you are committed, no, meaning you are married to this person, or nagsasama na kayo ng person na ito, no, but then this person with the non-committal is yun nga, no, hindi siya marunong tumupad sa kanyang mga sinasabi, pangako ng pangako, or nangangako, but then di naman ginagawa, no, something like that, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko. But then you are committed to this person. Maybe may kids na rin kayo for some of you. That's why, right? No? Or just married, no? Or living in together, no? Something like that, no? Mga Gemini natin. And what else? So you have this 7 of Swords, no? Talagang may pang-backstab din dito, no? There is really a sneaky person here, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, number 1, no, aside from, yeah, wearing a mask, no, being sneaky, this person is greedy also sa pera, no, kaperahan, no. Kumaga, pinagdadamutan kayo ng tao na ito sa pera. Or, yeah, sabihin nating tinataguan kayo ng pera ng tao na ito or madamot lang talaga literally, no, pagdating sa inyo, no, something like that, no, or hindi niya ginagawa yung mga obligasyon niya, no. With the seven of swords here, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, kumbaga parang napagod na eh, no? May napagod rito, right? No, kumbaga parang baon na yung pambabackstab, no? Something like that, no? Kumbaga, hindi na mahugot eh, no? Parang na-stick na yung swords here, no? Kung sa likod man, no? Example lang. Na-stick na, no? Kumbaga, na-stuck na yung swords, hindi na siya mabunot. So, yung pain, nandun na, no? Yung pain andyan na, palagi na lang nandyan at nadadagdagan na lang palagi. No? So, whoever it is, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam niya, no? Mga Gemini. So, ayun lang nung nakuha natin, no? May pasaway na tao rito, right? No? Anan committal, sneaky person, greedy sa pera, no? Betrayal, no? Maybe, may betrayal, cheating na nangyari here, no? That's why, no? May nahihirapan na tao dito, no? For some of you. So, let's see what's the future outcome for you to this person, no? Right? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. Future outcome sa relationship, partnership ninyo ng person na ito, Gemini. Let's see. So maybe niloko ka rin nito sa pera, no? Pinagtaguan ka ng pera, right? No, so you have this, no, death in reverse. No, so for some of you talaga, no, talagang may kailangan ng matapos here, no? Kailangan ng magtapos or but then you are refusing or someone is refusing to end the relationship. But it has to be, no? It has to end, no? Something like because nahihirapan ka na rin dito, right? No, with the death in reverse, no? So nahihirapan na, no, masyado nang mabigat yung sitwasyon. So kailangan ng i-let go or talikuran or i-cut off na etong kung ano man itong meron sa inyo, right? Kasi hindi na relationship to, no? This is not a healthy relationship, no? This is a toxic relationship, no, for some of you, right? Mga Gemini natin, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Future outcome, no? Merong magre-refuse pa rin natapusin yung relationship. Maybe, no, codependency, no, merong talagang may takot, no, for some of you, no. So, kung sino man sa inyong dalawa ang nakadepende, no, something like that, no. But then, it has to end, no, something like that, no. So, papahabain nyo lang yung pain, yung paghihirap na nararamdaman ninyo if you are still sticking to this relationship na na has to end na rin, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, no? Mga Gemini natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. Message advice for you ni universe, no? Mga Gemini natin. So, you have this, no? I am so grateful that the universe is always working for my greater good. So, yeah, 'di ba? Nararamdaman mo naman, 'di ba, Gemini, that the universe, that our source is always with you, right? No? You are feeling that, right? No? Kasi ang dami ng revelation here, no, sa inyong relationship, no? Binibigyan ka ng clarity, binibigyan ka ng signs ni universe dito, right? No? So, alam mo yung dapat mong gawin, right? No? With this message that, yeah, you are being grateful talaga because lagi kang binibigyan ng mga sagot ni universe every time you are asking na for something na what is happening to you, and the universe is giving you always um the right answer to your questions, no, something like that, right? No, and from that, no, you feel that the universe is with you, no, and working for your greater good, no. The universe is wants you to be in a good position, in a good place, right? No, so kahit masakit man to, no, right? No, you are in a heavy pain here, no, mga Gemini, no. pinakita na sa'yo ni universe na there is a clarity here, no? So you have to decide, no? So it's up to you. Still, universe giving you the free will to decide, right? No? But then, alam mo yung dapat mong gawin, right? No? Kumbaga, dapat kang gawing action dito, right? Mga Gemini natin. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? This is just a reminder from the universe that they are always there for you. That the universe is always there for you, no? Mga Gemini natin. But then, isipin mo din yung sarili mo, right? No? Kahit na, kasi for some of you, may pagkamatigas din yung ulo ninyo, right? Even though na binibigyan na kayo ng mga signs, no? Direct signs, no? Talagang straight to the point na mga circumstances ang binibigay sa inyo. But then some of you, no? You are ignoring, no? And then, still the universe is being generous, no? Talagang pinapakita niya pa rin sa inyo kahit na alam niyang masasaktan kayo, but that is the way para maintindihan mo yung sitwasyon mo, no, mga Gemini natin. No? So, yeah. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today. So, parang overall is sinasabi dito ni universe na whatever you are deciding is still the universe will work for you with your for the greater good of yourself, no, something like that, no, mga Gemini. But then wag mong sayangin yung mga pagkakataon na binibigay sa iyo ni universe to have a beautiful life na dapat para sa iyo, no, sa mga binibigay niya mga clarity about the situation that you are in, no, mga Gemini natin. So there is really a decision to make here, no, mga Gemini. So yeah, that's it for you mga Gemini natin. No? So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Gemini natin. So yeah, God bless you all and thank